You can't forget my one shoot. Yeah, still remember the one suit. Hey, watch out now. And even though man blessing abundance now, still not get confused. Beenie can't forget the one shoot. Yeah, still remember. Yo, watch out man, you know the thing set, man. Man has a the fullest, straight up. One king.
But them can, you have a social media page. Tell people, man.
Watch on IG, Instagram, got your music. So I say GOTTYO, music. And I say Facebook are the same thing. Got your GOTTYO, Mark. Everything, Google, you just name it. Every platform, just type it in, got you. You're locked in. Boof, one king.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
Welcome again, Unstoppable family. So people, as we all know, Jamaica full of talented artists where the world just a wait for embrace. Whole heap of them though. Yeah, let me tell you what go on. So just yesterday the Dr. Beenie man visited Frenz studio where the man go there for just go do some dub plate sessions, right? And while the man there, the man decides say, yo, him a go showcase the young talent them where they there to the world. And people, me not tell a lie. The young artists them bad. Especially the one where you hear in the beginning. His name Got You, and Got You, me rate your artist. You understand what I say? Because for me personally, what me consider talent is when an artist can sing a cappella, no rhythm, no mix down, no fine tune, nothing and sound good. Because remember, you know, anybody can go in a studio, record a song, and then engineer mix it down and make it sound good. You understand what I say? But when an artist can actually sing without a beat and it sounds sweet and the voice sound melodic, that's what me call talent. So Got You, big up yourself, and people make sure you do what the man say. Find him on social media and follow the young talent and show him some strength and some support, because him are gonna need it, because we are look forward for hear Got You in the near future. Zine, so what we are gonna do right now, make we go check out Beenie and here with the rest of talent them with the man a showcase right now in another live video. Yeah. You understand what I say? But before me do that, if this is your first time to Unstoppable TV and you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. So once we upload a video, you will get notified. Make we go check out the doctor and the rest of artists them. Beenie, what me doing now?
Yeah, see we are now. Forward the nice studio now. Yeah. That may I deal with spray up. No, you can for the 3 time now stop DJing. Yo, Crush. The fans them want to see you now.
Yeah man.
Me live there. Crush
Bam.
this.
I want to Crush represent to the man, understand the king. Get them I said.
Paper me a
Place where we come from when I grimy time, the killers them out. Killers them out. We know they talk and they kill them happy when we send them out. Head a cut off and lean up out a route. Kill any monkey, shoot and half he come. Send them come. Send them come. Gun them up and the shot now done. Hey, get a feature. Automatic so we rev them out like under vehicle. Man we walk up on them else cause we no need not either. Flush them out and make them arrow fly without no visa. When the rifle drop it, leave them only like a mesh marina. Real talk anytime shot fire boy, you top gun. We know we caught. Shut up we a carry kill the wall on you a guard. Dog run in a yard and tell them.
Yeah man. I saw it there and I get over there now. Yeah, we bar that. Yeah. Is it? Good. I will have a shop to have a wholesale when I want next part. Okay. Nothing about that. Is it? So Crush ya. I want to have a new artist listen to people.
Jamming on this reggae beat we serve. Music never hurt him. Yo, Levi just lift the one ya up. Woman want to dance and lift them skirt up. So find a girl to work you. Tell her say to put it on the sun. Watch ya. I saw it with. But when the girl them up like say a cup of tea. Yo, me and the vibe no keep go back in. Girl them say me and them sugar cup of grease. Wait, yeah. All I must stress them gone when the sound turn on. Music a play, me no feel no pain.
Alright, paper. And then ramp with it. We have artists about you have to kill. We just wanted to know, so you say, him. But don't worry about him. You say wildlife, don't worry about him. You say him, don't worry about him. See? Because you got to remember that few seconds that come from music, you know. Go check locally, check him live. And you know where I'm going. See? Got you. Remember the ramping way, you know. We have artists running and the kid. And today is Sunday, and it's a quiet day. See? So that's why I'm come show the real artists I'm deal with. Because it's Monday, everybody else there. And them me again. You understand? Yeah, man. Them are the artists of tomorrow. They are telling you. Serious. You don't know what 3-star already, don't you? Yeah, the music parade. My father, them and them. See? But our artists from morning.
One of them dear, one of them dear, one of them dear. Put them to the test and them a failure. And devil them and them a go like them a the savior. Left them to jail, them dear. One of them dear. Give it one too. Oh yeah, mama, oh yeah, that's the fix up. Me said the youth them pretty like hibiscus. Me said the wicked them. We still left them a puzzle. Chat them a chat because them can't do me nothing. One bust the ends and press out couple bends, but some little fool make man and press them buttons. You want him grow and you never dream nothing, but him want everything and don't want work for nothing. They catch him change the head, chop up, let him feature because him soon know something. One of them dear, one of them dear. Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, boss. Yeah.
You're not getting back to work.
Paper is bench. Frenz for it. See? This is the man. So I make everything happen here. See?
So what about them know say Beenie Man and Frenz are the official opening of Frenz.
Frenz is you're not done yet,
yeah man. So we have a surprise for everyone in the music community. Yo, all of the young artists, them upcoming artists, look out for this one. When Frenz have a surprise for every upcoming artist.
Yes. Because it's a whole house of studio, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's why I know
so we're gonna give them 10 studios on one complex. Look out for you.
Yeah. Big news.
I see that. Breaking news.
Yeah. Dexter, give them the breaking news, sir.
Alright, we can chat to them. And look out for the album. It's on August 22nd. Yeah. And look out for the single with me and Dexter. That. Yeah. We haven't popped on the vice yet, but look out for that too. And we haven't called on the vice yet, but look out for that too. And me a spice vice, me a spice, what you call it? Sauce bass. Sauce bass. Excuse me. Me a sauce bass. No vice yet, but look out for that. What we call it? We could go in
Murder, man.
Yeah, tell them so one whole day me give them give it to them right now with their friends for real. Yeah. Oh, them are disrespect or some boy you going like them about them fool to them.
Ready? Alright then, more uno comment in the comment section and tell me which one of them young artists they are for uno favorite, you know. Which one uno like the most. You understand what I say? Me personally, me say the whole of them bad. But me not go tell no lie, me kinda give favors to Got You. As you can figure already. You see what I say? But don't worry about what me say. More uno tell me in the comment section which one of them young artists there. Uno say, yo, bad. Which one vocals turn up, which one lyrics turn up, which one hot, which one of them ready for road. You understand what I say? I'm more officer big up to the doctor, set speed, for showcase the youth them talent too. You see it? I couldn't play the rest of the video because you don't know so the man in the dub session and read him a play. You don't know the whole copyright thing already. So that's why I did cut it right there. So, but the doctor in the studio and him a drop some dub plate session right there. So you understand what I say? And the whole of the artists them there I learn from the veteran, which is the doctor Beenie Man. Alright, watch out the man people, talk to me down in the comment section, make me know. And wait before me even left, remember a whole heap of people said Beenie no boss no artist. But the man a showcase some young talent and say, yo, them a film artists and them so forward the road. Alright, so make we watch and see what go on. Alright, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely, if this is your first time here and you're not subscribed yet, what you're waiting on, hit that subscribe button and turn on all notifications. So once we upload a video, you will get notified. Alright, until the next video, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable, and I'm out.